Assalamu alaikum, my name is Dr. Ala and today I am going to discuss with you hypertension. Hypertension or high blood pressure usually represents by two numbers. The top number is the systolic blood pressure, which means the arterial pressure when the heart is contracting. The lower number is the diastolic blood pressure, which means the arterial pressure when the heart is relaxing or refilling. Normally, the systolic blood pressure ranges from 90 to 119 millimeters of mercury, and diastolic blood pressure ranges from 60 to 79 millimeters of mercury. 10 million people die every year globally due to high blood pressure. Hypertension is a silent killer. Headache, chest pain, anxiety, nosebleed. You will not have all these symptoms until it reaches a dangerous level. You are at risk of diabetes, kidney failure, stroke, heart attack. All you can do about it is eat healthy, stay active, quit smoking, limit salt intake from your diet, reduce stress, sleep well. They are really small changes and they are way too big results. Take control and feel better. Thank you.